Hello everyone. So this is a review video for our homework 11. I thought maybe it can help if we make a review video for this homework to speed up the thing and your learning process. It may help. I thought so. This is why it is a review video. So let me give some gap. So these are the homework 11 maths. I think if you have seen already, these are the maths, and we have to solve for x. We have to solve these questions for x. So how can we solve it? Let's try to check. I'm just directly trying to solve it from the mm, from this uh, from this. Okay, let's remove it. Then share some whiteboard. Some whiteboard will help us. And let me clear everything. Clear all my drawing. Okay. So first math is this one. I think you can see 10 to the power blah blah blah. So this equal to this, and you can see actually we can write it like this. As you can see, this side is base is 10. This side also base is 10. This side whole all the term. This one and this one. In the both case, the base is 10. So we can just write 10. Then this is x. Then 2. Actually power multiply. So we can write twice x. Okay. Then we have some, we are interested to write in one sentence. We are interested to complete the math. You can actually do more lines here, but we can write twice x plus 5 because they are power. So we can write twice x plus 5 just instead of writing it another time we can just write it this way. Then this side is if we want to write 10 to the power what, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have 6 0. So 10 to the power 6 is here. That means twice x plus 5 equal to 6. That means twice x plus 5 equal to 6. Okay. So because 10 base is same, so you can just remove them. Which means 6 minus 5, right? 6 minus 5. Because if I next line will be twice x plus 5 equal to 6. That means twice x equal to 6 minus 5. So that means it is 1. This is 1. 1. So this is 1. 1 divided by 2. That means 1 divided by 2 means 0.5 also you can write, right? 0.5 also you can write. So this is the answer of one number math. This is how you can solve the one number math. Actually, I should have not. I already have done the full math. Maybe some idea is also works for you if I give. Then 2 number math is log 3 base 81 equal to 8x. Log 3 base 81 equals to 8x. So we have to find out the value of x, right? So this means what? This means we can convert it actually, right? We can convert it. We can convert these things and we can write it. This conversion will become 3 to the power 81, 3 to the power 8x, 3 to the power 8x equals to 81. 3 to the power 8x equals to 81. This is how we convert from exponent to logarithm. Base remains the base, this is the power, and this number goes to the other side. This is how we can convert exponent and logarithm from one another. Now this is 3 to the power 8x and this is 81. This 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4, so that our base is same. 81 means 3 to the power 4. Again, this 3 base is now same, so we can write 8x equal to 4. 8x equal to 4 we can write now. 8x equals to 4 we can write now. 8x equals to 4 we can write now. So x equal to what will come now? I think you know the answer. In the next line answer is there. I will not write more lines there because that's way too much. And okay. Then 3 number math, actually that is the trickiest math in this section, or you can see. For the 3 number math, look at this. This is log 3 base. Okay, let me write here log 3 base x plus 2. Notice that I did not write this 2 because this 2 will come here as a power. So this 2 will come here as a power, this extra 2. Okay, this 2 will come here as a power. So this is the reason why I did not write it. Now see, this is log 3 base 9. Log 3 base 9 actually, this means actually, see, log this 9 we can write 3 square. 9 means 3 square. Then log 3 base 3 means 1. That 2 will be the answer here. That means this whole thing will become just only 2. Log 3 base 9, let me show you here. Log 3 base 9. 9 is here. So 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay, and you already know that log 3 base 3, same thing base same thing means 1. So 1 to the, so and this 2 is actually comes here. This 2 comes here always. So it becomes 2 log 3 base 3. That means ultimately this 3 base 3 means 1. So so answer is 2. Log 3 base 3 square. This square comes to this side, and then log 3 base 3 means 1. So we do not have to just write that because 1 is not necessary to write. Then we can write this equals to 11 as it is given. So what we have done is we have have taken this 2 from this place to the power position, and then we simplified this term here. Now further, so see, now we can this, as this 2 is some number, send all the number in the one side. If we send this 2 to this side, then it will become what? It will become what? We can do actually, instead of writing another line, I can show it here also. So see, next line will be log 3 base x plus 2 whole square equal to 11 minus 2. This 2 will go to this side, so it will become 11 minus 2 because it is plus this side. So if it goes to the another side, then it will become 11 minus 2 equal to just simply 9. Simply 9. 11 minus 2 means 9. Now we can convert it just like this part here. Just like this part here, we can now convert it. See, the conversion will look like x plus 2 whole square equal to x plus 2 whole square equal to this x plus 2 whole square. This whole thing equals to, this base will remain base, never change. This thing is power. So this thing is power. Just like this. See, this base will remain base. This thing is always power, and 81 is this side. Just I have done it in the reverse order in this math, but the same thing actually. They are the same thing. Reverse order means this term in that math, this term I wrote here this side, and this term I wrote in this side, which is fine actually. And why I wrote it, I think some of you can see actually why, because this is x term, this is x term. I intentionally try to keep the x term in my left hand side so that I do not again have to bring it back. I think some of you already have this idea. Now this is 3 to the power 9 and 3 to the power 9. Okay, next line, x plus 2 equals 2. You can do it in the calculator, and this square, if it goes to the other side, it will become square root 3 to the power 9. And if you solve this math from this part in the calculator, you will see square root of 3 to the power 9, this equal to 140 point something, some dot. There is some 140.3, 2 and something came, so approximately this x plus 2 equal to this. Then x equal to what? I think now from this part you can easily find out x equals to what. I should not do any more from this part, because that's already enough I have done for you. At least something you should do. Okay, this is what I mean. These are the idea. You should try to do it by yourself. These are the things, like what goes on, what happens with all this maths. 4 number math is a bit interesting. Why this? See, this is e to the power x into e to the power minus 5, and this side is 1. So basically both is e and e, so we can write x minus 5 equals to 1. 1 means actually e to the power 0, right? 1 means e to the power 0. And why 1 means e to the power 0? You can say, sir, e to the power 1 means e to the power 0, we never heard it. Actually, anything to the power 0 equal to 1. Anything to the power 0 equal to 1. So if you need for some math like 1 to the power 0, 10 to the power 0, 15 to the power 0, e to the power 0, pi to the power 0, anything you need for any math, you actually can write it. Okay, you actually can write it. If you need to write, you actually can write it. So here we need to bring some e in this side, because e is a base here in the left hand side. So in the right hand side, if we have some e, then what can we do is we can remove this both. We can remove both base from the both side. Then we have x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. X minus 5 equal to 0. That means x equals to 5 is the solution of this math. Oh, I have done everything here. So x minus 5 equal to 5 is the solution for this math. So this way actually you solve this kind of maths, and this is our homework 11. I hope it helped a bit for solving your homework, and because yeah, all right, if it works, then that's the best part. Bye bye.